my YouTube channel Tech Knowledge. So today we will start our new series, Hack This Site, HackThisSite.org. So this is the platform we can test our skills, and uh, in this Hack This Site provide us good challenges. We can learn something about ethical hacking. So let's start with our challenge. So open that site. Yeah, basic test of skills to see if you can do any of the mission required HTML knowledge. So okay, so HTML. HTML is markup language. Uh, uh, HTML versus any other programming language have this knowledge that HTML versus Java we can compare because Java have some decision making power. So, but HTML have nothing of this power like JS, JavaScript, and Java and JavaScript are both other companies. Sorry, Java. So JavaScript and Java are both other companies. So let's start the challenge. So first level is telling to see. So this is the area challenge. So this level we call area challenge. If you can't complete, please do not give up this challenge and learn more. Please don't see any hints from any website. Uh, but it will take 2-3 days to understand this website. So please do yourself and enjoy. So first you have to see the source code. So this is the first. So we don't need to see this. Just search for this line. This level is the easy test, so we can get a very few levels are extremely easy. Okay, and I understand that. uh, if you see this line, if you see this line, sorry guys, yeah, if you see this line dash dash, so it's coming like this. Just wait, I have to change the font. So just wait. Mm, yeah, this looks good. Yeah, I don't know why it's not coming. So you have to see this line and one more. Yeah. Now you have to see this line. In here you can see this. This means commands that program does not read. See, this is the command and this is the password. You can see in here. So let's control V. Yeah. This is a command. I don't know why it's coming like this. Or the few levels are extremely easy and the password is this. So let's copy and paste in that side. So just paste, don't save. Yeah, congrats. So this is the new level, network security stamp setup password protection script. He made it load the real password from an unencrypted text file and compare it to the password the user enters. However, he neglected to upload the file. If there will be no password, then the password will be blank because I think it's common sense test. So you have to just submit it and you go past in this machine. So please subscribe and share my channel. So thank you. Stay tuned.